In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage bug tickets in Jira Cloud. If urgent defects are slipping into production or important issues are getting buried in team chat, instead of being documented properly, this workflow can make a big difference. Keeping bugs organized in Jira helps your team track quality, improve triage, and plan work more accurately. So let's open the browser and get started. First, go to your Jira Cloud site by entering your company's Atlassian URL in the address bar, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once your dashboard finishes loading, look to the top navigation bar and click the blue Create button. This opens the Issue Creation window, which is where we'll start logging the defect. In the creation form, find the field labeled Issue Type. Open the drop-down menu and select Bug. This is important because choosing the bug template keeps your issue categorized correctly and makes sure the right fields and workflows are applied from the start. Next, move to the summary field and enter a short, clear headline for the problem. Keep it concise and specific so anyone scanning the backlog can understand the issue quickly. Then click into the description area. Here, structure the report clearly by adding sections for steps to reproduce, expected result, and actual result. This format gives developers and testers the context they need right away and reduces back and forth later. After that, scroll down to the additional issue details. Open the priority field and set the level based on the real impact of the defect. For example, if the issue blocks users or affects a critical workflow, a higher priority may be appropriate. Then locate the component field and choose the relevant area of the application, such as the backend API or another architectural layer your team uses. When everything looks correct, click the blue Create button at the bottom to submit the ticket into the backlog. If you prefer a faster visual workflow during stand-ups or triage sessions, you can also manage bugs directly from your Kanban board. Open your bug triage board from the left sidebar, find the issue card you want to update, then click and drag it into the appropriate column, like moving it from triage queue to in progress or ready for QA. This lets you update status quickly without opening each ticket individually. Before you wrap up, return to your main dashboard and confirm that the new bug appears correctly. Check that the summary, issue key, priority indicator, and assignee details are visible and easy to read. This final review helps ensure your tracking stays clean and reliable. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.